It's going to be a December to remember for one lucky person when she finds out she has won an APQS Millie valued at $24,900. Let's see if she's home.
Hello?
Is this Roxanne?
Yes.
Roxanne, I've been trying to reach you. I have some news. This is Dawn from APQS.
Well, hello.
Hi.
I thought it was a robocaller.
You thought I was a robocaller? Nope.
Yeah.
It's Dawn Cavanaugh from APQS Longarm Quilting Machines, and guess what?
What?
You have won an APQS Millie valued at $24,900.
God, you're kidding.
I'm not kidding.
Oh my goodness, I'm gonna fall down. I better sit down.
You better sit down.
Goodness.
Woohoo!
Goodness.
I'm so glad you're excited.
Oh, I'm just flabbergasted.
It's wonderful. Are you a quilter?
Yes, I am.
Yay! This is going to be put to good use. Oh, I'm so happy.
Yes, it will.
Wonderful. Well, I wanted to let you know before the holidays got too far ahead, Roxy, we drew your name and you are the lucky winner.
Oh my goodness, I'm gonna cry. I am. I'm just gonna cry.
I hope they're tears of joy by that, because it's an exciting thing.
Yes, it is.
Wonderful.
Oh my goodness.
Why,
Oh my goodness.
I hope we've made your December very happy. I tell you what,
Have.
that's great. When we get past this weekend here, our team from APQS will get in touch with you to iron out all the arrangements so that Millie can find a new home in Nebraska.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, how blessed am I? Oh my goodness, how blessed am I?
Oh, we're so excited for you and happy to have you join our APQS family.
Oh my. Oh my goodness. I just can't believe it.
Oh, so happy for you.
Well, thank you.
You are very welcome, and thanks for picking up the call. I wasn't a robo. It's a good news after all.
Yeah, awesome.
Awesome.
Wonderful.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I can't thank you enough.
You're very, very welcome. We're very, very welcome. So happy for you.
Well, thank you.
Thank you. We'll get in touch with you this week.
All right, sounds wonderful.
Thanks, Roxanne.
Yep.
Bye-bye. What a blessing for Roxanne. It'll be so exciting for her to be able to finish her quilts on an APQS Millennium. Hey, be sure to watch our Facebook pages and Instagram and all of our social media and enter the next APQS Long Arm giveaway. Who knows? We could be calling you.